Hello everybody, I have some cute things to show you here today from PaintSomeWay. I hope you enjoy them, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you come back and see more things. I've got quite a few unboxings to do, and I have an event to announce. I got all kinds of stuff going on. Anyhow, let's show you what I have today from PaintSomeWay. Thank you, PaintSomeWay. Let's start with this since it's right on top and you can see it. They sell washi tapes, and they're quite pretty. They're quite lovely. They're all sparkly and glittery, and I mean, you can see them, right? Pink, blue, gold, green, they're all different. They're very nice. I like them. It's a nice big roll of washi tape. For those of you who like to either tape off around your canvas or section off your canvas, these would come in very handy. Maybe borders on paintings, whatever you like to do with your washi tape. Pretty nice. I like it. All right, that's the first thing. Here's a toolkit. They all have a toolkit, right? They all have a toolkit. Let me show you the first painting I have. First one. I love it. It's called Hello Spring. And look at, you know me and the gnomes, right? I told you guys before, they just keep coming out with more and more and more of these cute little gnomes. So look at this one. She's like, this is what I call a counter, like decoration. What do they call those? Your tiered tray. Tiered tray, that's what it is. With a little gnome girl sitting beside her tiered tray. Look, she's got a little mini water can. Isn't it cute? That looks like a truck at the top. It is. It's a truck. And it's got all these plants, a birdhouse. All things we think of when we think of spring. It has 22 colors. There's a legend on both sides. DMC codes are included. All the symbols are letters, and look at this. Love this. They're doing this more and more frequently now, and I love it. It's easy to work on something. You can just grab your bag here and you can get going. Look, here's our colors. Gray, green, tans, yellows, a burgundy, more greens, yellow, greens, browns, and this is the background colors, this white, off-white, grayish white. I love it. I love it. I love the pre-bag drills. Makes them so easy to work on. Drill fields are clear on these. I love that. Let me zoom you in real quick. There we go. Look at that. What's that say? Grrr. Grrr. Anyhow, cute, right? Super cute. I love them. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I got cute things, very cute things. All right, here's the next one. It's a special drill, and it just says, I love you to the moon and back. This cute little baby elephant in mama's trunk. All the letters get special drills, all the flowers. I don't know how many larger drills we'll have, like the real special ones. A lot of rhinestones for sure, but look, mama's trunk is a different color than baby, so they're not going to blend together. I like that. All right, let's look at our drills real quick. 12 different shapes and colors here. Sure. If we can open them, we'll get in. Where's the thing? It's way over here. What in the world? The sticky tab, you know, it's in a really weird spot. It's hard to get to. It's like flipped over the top edge. Come on. Sorry you're watching me struggle with this, but it's just the way they got it on here, it's awkward. Okay, there we go. All right. Now we're in. We are in. All right, here's our colors. We have an orange. That's a gray. A green, another green, another green. Clear, maybe a little smoky to it. Like a brown. A gold, that's the true clear. And here's our specials. Yellow, faceted, bronzy orange marquees, and then these pretty champagne teardrops. Love it. All right, so that will be really cute. I really like that one. Okay, and I got one more. Hold on, because, oh, no, not what I thought it was. Never mind. This one's cute. I ordered something similar to this, which is a little more risque. But this one is just, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. And so all of the letters will get like a rhinestone. And then there's the girl in the middle and her peace sign and her sunflowers and whatnot. 13 different shapes and colors. And is this one the same way? It is. Why are these so hard to get open? They flip them over the top. And they're hard to open. Okay. That one wasn't as bad. So let's see what we got. Oh, let's go this way. Clear rhinestones, black. Here's some brown, red, yellow, a green, orange, a light orange, almost peach, another bronzy brown color, a blue, and then here we have some of these cool, like they're gold on the top and they're like a crystal on the bottom. So I'm not certain why we do that because you don't see the crystal on the bottom, but I don't know. They're gold on the top. And another gold marquee and some blue faceted. So that's pretty cool. So I like all of these choices. What do you think? What's your favorite? Tell me what your favorite is. I don't know. He's really cute. The baby, the mama. And then, of course, you know, got to have a gnome in there. Got to have a gnome, right? So, yeah, cute stuff. Thank you so much, PaintSomeWay, for sending these for us to show everybody. And I hope you like them. I will link them below if you're interested, so you can go and purchase some yourself. And other than that, I hope you come back again and see what else we have to show you. And yeah, hang out for a while. My videos are always different. I try not to do unboxings every day. I try to like switch it up, you know, so maybe yarn, maybe books, maybe diamond painting, you know, whip and chat. So lots of good content here. I hope you enjoy and I hope you stick around and you come back for more. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, everybody.